Welcome to another video with Invest with the Doctor. In this video, I'm going to be talking about three stocks that I like, and provided the stock market does well this year, these stocks are going to skyrocket and they're going to um, generate cash for you if you invest in them. I'm going to show you just the technicals. I don't want to get into the stock itself, what they do, because some of them you might know, some of them you might not know as a company. But basically, these stocks I'm going to be talking about, and these stocks that I mentioned today, I'm going to show you the technical charts and why I think it might be a good idea to invest in them. I have to let you know that I am invested in all three of these stocks. So the first, the stocks that I'm going to be talking about are AppLovin, Uber, and Carvana. So let's start with AppLovin. This is the chart of AppLovin itself. As you can see, the patterns that I like are all present in this chart itself for AppLovin. The ticker for it is APP, AppLovin Corporation. So ticker symbol APP. So let me just show you. So this is a ticker for it, APP. As you can see, AppLovin, and the current price is 370 US dollars at the time of making this video. Now, what I like about this chart is it's now coming out of this base. So if you see this base that I've drawn, the chart, as you can see, is coming out. Usually, and it's coming out in a big candle. You can see the size of this green candle. So you don't have to know much apart from the fact that this is quite strong. As you can see, these red candles, they were quite big red candles, and look at how the price was dropping here. And now this one is the other way around. Okay, and systematic. This is a weekly chart, and you can see that the price is just skyrocketing upwards. What I also like about this chart is the fact that you can see the volume. Okay, so lots of people are trying to pick up this stock. You can see the volume is higher. Again, I've always in my videos I talk about the RSI, and look at the RSI here. It's always in sort of near overbought territories, and then the price fell. Okay, so the RSI was falling as well, and now the RSI is climbing upwards. Okay, it's climbing upwards, and so is the price. So the price is climbing upwards, RSI is climbing upwards. MACD is positive, it's green. And usually the pattern that I like is the 21 day, which is this blue line here, is sloping upwards. And so it's above the 21 day, it's above this red line, which is the 50 day, and it's above this green one, which is the 200 day. So this is a very good trend because it's above all the moving averages. So this is usually stuff that I like, and it tells me that the stock is going to be moving upwards in the coming few weeks and months. I think this is a stock that you can think about getting for the next few months. So please do your own research, but I think this is a useful stock to get in. So this was the stock AppLovin that I was talking about. Next, we'll talk about this stock here, which is called Uber. They've got Uber taxis and quite a few other things, self-driving vehicles. So Uber, as you can see, the stock, the Uber is the ticker symbol is UBER. The price at the time of making this video is 91, around 91 US dollars. As you can see, the stock has been coiling up and down. Okay, so you can see this sort of pattern within this sort of range. So this range you see, and now what's happening is now at an all-time high, breaking out of this pattern. Okay, usually when they break out like this, it's a big breakout. In the coming weeks and months, it is likely to go up higher because of this big coiling. This is a weekly chart. Like I showed you the AppLovin, that was a weekly chart as well. Um, the price, again, RSI is now gaining momentum. It's going up on sort of, it's going higher. MACD is positive. Again, 21 day, which is this blue line that you see here, is going upwards. It is above the 50-day moving average, and this green line here, which is a 200-day. I keep talking about these things because these things make a big difference. So they tell me that the price is going to go in the right direction. So it's trying to break out of this flag pattern. So flag patterns are, certainly you will get patterns like this. So you can, if you can see this area here, this is the flagpole, and then this area is the flag itself, and now it's trying to break out of this flag pattern. So the price is coming out of this. So this is telling me that, again, this is a good stock to get, and a good company to be in. This is another stock that I think would make sense to get into for the coming few weeks and months. Second stock that I really like technically. So I'm just talking about technicalities or technical analysis of the stock itself, and telling you why you should be getting into the stock. But like I said, you need to do your own homework. But these are stocks that I like and stocks that I have bought. Third one that I'm going to talk about today is called Carvana. This is a car rental company. Again, the chart, if I show you here, it looks quite good. I think this might form a cup with handle pattern, where this is the cup and this is the handle itself. Again, it looks, at the moment, it looks like it's breaking out. So the stock is Carvana. Ticker for it is CVNA, and the price at the time of making this video is 293 US dollars. Now, if it breaks out of this cup with handle pattern, likely the stock is going to go up quite a bit. Okay, just looking at it from a technical point of view. These candles, again, green candles, quite big candles. So usually when there are big candles like this, that means the price is likely to go up higher. Again, if you see above the blue line, this is a 21-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average. When the prices, when a stock is above these 21, 50, 200, that means it's a bullish trend, and the price is likely to go up higher. Again, RSI moving in the right direction. It is not overbought yet, but getting there. MACD again is positive. So these things are telling me that likely this stock is going to go up higher in the coming few weeks and months. So these are three stocks that I like. Technically, I've given you the reason why I like them. Please do your own research. This is the research that I've done, and why I feel these three stocks for this year, it might make sense to be in them. These videos I do, they're absolutely free, and because I like looking at charts, and I like in sort of investing in places that I feel are going to be promising, is why I present this research to you. And I hope you get something useful out of this. All the videos that I do, I try to present actionable ideas, where I think the likely price for the stock is higher. Try to, if you can, look into my other social platforms. So you've got my YouTube channel, then you've got my Twitter, which I talk about sort of charts on daily basis, and I show charts like this. And then you've got the TikTok, where I sort of mentioned small things, usually charts or posters, they are mostly educational, and they give you an overall idea of what might be useful to invest in. So if you get a chance, do look into them. I think you will find them useful. So I hope you found this video useful. As always, thanks for watching.